Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Today's video is going to be about virus protection and how you can protect your phone or any Android device really when it comes to viruses and malware and things like that.
Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post.
And this is especially important if you download software which isn't in the Play Store or the Galaxy Store from Samsung, or if you have any other Android phone like HP and if they've got an app store that they moderate themselves, then if you download outside of that app store, then obviously you'll need to check and make sure that your phone is protected against malware and viruses and things like that. So with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you go into your settings menu, then you go down into device care, and then it runs a basic check of your device to see how the battery's performing, how much you got left on the battery, the storage you have, the memory you have, and obviously you can go through and cycle through these functions. What we're interested in today is the security aspect, so we'll go through that. Now you'll be greeted with this screen here, and the last time it performed a scan, which for me was the 29th of June. Now the first thing you should do when you do a scan is you come up here and you do update. When you do an update, it checks against the latest threats and obviously it updates so it knows what it's meant to be looking for, and then you hit scan, and then it'll scan every single app. Once it reaches 100%, then it'll give you the okay to say we've scanned everything, we've scanned all the apps, and everything seems to be fine. So once it goes through, and as you can see it's pretty quick, depending on how many apps you have, this may or may not be as quick as this. Once it's done, it just buzzed, and then it basically says secure, and basically it gives you a little message to say McAfee and Samsung keep your phone safe by searching, blah blah blah. So it's powered by McAfee, and obviously that's a good name in terms of virus protection. So that was just a quick look at how you can protect your device against viruses and malware in third-party software. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.